Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sinarinja from BITS BHRM Block A. Today, I will be presenting video recorded about Chapter 5. The title is What Happening Around Us. So we have item number and guide question. First is corporate governance. The issue is about Vice President Sara Duterte impeachment. So what happened? The House Justice Committee held impeachment hearing against Vice President Sara Duterte after it came to light that she and her husband Manasseh Carpio were involved in 6.77 billion in suspicious bank transaction. What agency problem is present? The Anti-Money Laundering Council said this transaction might break laws about financial transparency and the House impeachment process is having trouble following the rules. How could it have been prevented? Making the real-time financial disclosure rules and independent audits stronger could help find problems sooner. And number two, government fund misuse. One of the recent issues now is about Ghost Project. So what happened? Many projects like river, walls, and Bulacan or drainage in Quezon City were officially reported as 100% complete in government records. However, when officials checked the actual site, they found only empty lots or unfinished piles of dirt. Agency problem. The agency problem present is a moral hazard where government officials or contractors act in their own self-interest by falsifying completion reports for ghost project because they do not bear the full consequences of their action. How to prevention? This could have been prevented through rigorous and independent oversight, such as mandatory third-party physical audits and transparent real-time digital tracking of project milestone accessible to the public. And the last is labor issue. The issue is arise in unemployment and a fuel crisis. What happened? In October 25, unemployment rose to 5% to 54 million people without job and jeepney drivers, and OFW lost money because petrol price went up. Problem with the agency, even though there were reports of which violation, duly inspectors did not take the action. So how to prevent? Linking the distribution of fuel subsidies to wage protection programs and giving Dole more power to enforce the law. That's all. Thank you, ma'am. God bless.